Hey gang, Rob again. So my part finally came in today. My 4865 rear belt. And initially I was worried because just upon glance, if you look at that, here's the problem with what I'm having. See how it's just done. It just slips. So I guess it got stretched. And I thought this wasn't going to fit, or for the width, of the gear, because the gear is so wide. But it looks like it's the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and tear this down, throw this on, and then I guess we'll see what happens. So I'm not gonna do the full tear down on this and even slow-mo yet, because again, I'm not set up with my tripod, so I'm only using the camera in one hand. But I gotta take all this off, all of this, then I gotta take some things off up here, then I gotta go underneath. So there's a video that a guy did that's actually awesome, with the teardown of this, and he did the full fast forward on it. So I looked at that, and that's what I'm going by. But I will post another one when I have it put back together and running, and hopefully I can do a little bit of ripping, because man, this has been like such a project. It's every time I try to get going. First it was the glow plugs, then I couldn't get fuel to the carburetor, then my glow starters died, then I had to buy a cheap piece of garbage one on eBay that didn't even work right, but I made it work. So it's just been one of those things. So at this point, I'm done buying cheap stuff. I'm going to buy the right stuff and start rebuilding all my tool collection. So hopefully we get this running and ripping here in a bit, and I'll check back in later. Thanks guys. Bye.